Looking for pressure tank repair and service in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how frustrating low water pressure and system failures can be. That's why we provide fast, professional pressure tank repair and service to keep your water system running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with a leaking tank, inconsistent pressure, or a complete system failure, our expert technicians are here to help. We diagnose and fix problems quickly, ensuring reliable water pressure for your home or business. Right here in Sherwood Park, we understand the unique plumbing challenges local homeowners face. That's why we offer transparent pricing, quick response times, and expert solutions tailored to your needs. Want dependable pressure tank repair and service? Kingstree Plumbing has you covered. Call us today or click Book online to schedule your service.